if you're experiencing low performance while playing Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Upgrading hardware components may be necessary if your system falls short. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly improve game performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reduce options such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help increase frame rates and reduce lag during gameplay. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable background applications that consume resources, adjust power settings to high performance, and ensure that Windows is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Monitor temperature and performance. Use software to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures while gaming. Overheating can lead to throttling and performance drops. Clean your hardware and ensure proper ventilation to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Call of Duty performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.